Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding Classroom. Today we will talk about Google's Gemini Code Assist. Gemini Code Assist is Google's AI-powered coding assistant for VS Code, JetBrains, Android Studio, etc. It brings the Gemini 2.5 model directly into your editor, offering 1 million token context window, chat-based code help, and inline completions, and an experimental agent mode for multi-file refactors. All these with free Google account. Now let's see how it works. We will go to VS Code, and the first thing we will do is to install the Gemini Code Assist. Here we go. Just click on install. Okay, it's installed. So the next step is to sign in. Click sign in. To sign in, now this is the screen that you will see. This is the same screen which you will see on signing in from the Gemini CLI. Basically, behind the scene, they both use the same configuration and same configuration for MCPs as well. We will see that in few minutes. So now we have installed it. Now let's try building something. I will create a test folder and open that in VS Code. Okay, it's ready for us. So there is one more thing. So now they have launched agent mode for the code assist. However, it's not visible here. So we have to go to the settings file and enable it. To do so, we have to press Command Shift P and open users settings. The settings.json is open now. We just have to add a simple configuration here. Gemini Code Assist update channel, and the value should be insiders. So before adding this value, you can search for this string in this file. If you already have this value here, so you just have to update the value from default to insiders, and that should be it. Just save the file, and you have to reload VS Code. After reloading the VS Code, you will see the agent button ready for you in the VS Code. Now we just have to start coding. Now let's open a test folder. Open it in VS Code. Now we'll just ask Gemini to create the React app for us. Create a React app with TypeScript template. It has generated the script for us, and we just have to click run. Now it's creating the React application in test folder. We can see it here. The app name is my app, which is by default. And so far package.json has been generated. You can fast forward here while we are generating the application. Okay, now the app has generated. Let's open the terminal and start the app. I will have to go to the my app folder, which is the basically root directory in which code has been generated. I just have to run npm run start, and now our app is running. Now I will ask Gemini to create tic-tac-toe game. I'm not gonna code anything. I will just ask Gemini to do it for us. As you can see, it's creating the plan, mapping the components, and uh, reading all the folders, all the files in source directory. And in the end, it asks us to accept changes or reject or the view changes. I will simply click on accept. We can open the files as well in which we are working. Okay, so now we have the changes. Oh, it's not the like generating the code with the strict types, so we can ask it. Now it has generated the CSS file as well. These are the new changes. Yeah, it's breaking because of the types. I will just copy this and paste to Gemini. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, it was because generating has some pending actions for us. Now it has completed first request, so we can ask it to fix the existing issues, which are because of the type. It says addressing type errors and typing the components application. Now it is done. Just accept it. Okay, now we have the UI ready. Let's see if it works. Yep, it works fine. This UI is not that great. We can ask Gemini to improve it. Oh, let's just stop this. Can you update the UI for the board? It has generated new stylings. Just accept them. Oh, it's at the center now. Does it still work? Yep. Oh, it works. Maybe we can ask it to update the logic to make it human vs AI. It has generated the logic. Just accept the changes. It seems we again have some type error. Which file is it? app.tsx. Let's just oh, let's copy paste the error. We don't want to use our brain. Okay, so the changes are ready. Just accept them. Now the app has built successfully. So this is so as soon as I clicked here, the AI also generated the content here. Now it's challenging since I'm playing with AI. I will click here. Okay. It's trying to block me. I will click here. Okay. So this was a draw. It was interesting actually. Let's play again. Yeah, this is gonna be draw again. Again draw. Anyway, so this is how you can play. Oh, sorry. You can build the games very easily using Gemini without even using any technical knowledge. I literally did not type any line of code here. Now we have generated the code like we wanted. We can try other tools from Gemini. We can try to run the MCP. As you can see at the moment, when I typed slash MCP, it started to analyze this prompt instead of running this as command because at this moment the agent mode is not activated. So I will just go to user settings again and will uh, re-add that setting. Gemini Code Assist dot update channel with value insiders. I'll stop this. Okay, let's just reload the tab. Go back to Gemini. Now we have reloaded the tab and you can see the agent button is visible here. Now if I type slash, you can see all the agent commands available for us. We have to use MCP. If I press enter now, let's see what will happen. Now it shows that these are the MCP servers available. If you recall, in the video with Gemini CLI, I configured a MCP server for generating images using Stable Diffusion and image gen MCP. So this was the MCP I used, and behind the scene, it uses Stable Diffusion Web UI. I will attach the link of Gemini CLI video as well for more reference. And in case you want a detailed video on how to configure these MCP server end to end, let me know in the comments down below. I will create a new video for that. So I just have to so if I like ask it to generate image, can you generate an image of cat? Let's see what will happen. I've not started any local server. Basically, that would be needed, so it should break. Okay, it says there was some problem. Probably that's the same problem. So I will just go to my terminal. I will go to the folder in which I have Stable Diffusion set up, and then I will run the command which we can check at their GitHub. Go to the MacBook setup, and this is the command. We have to run this in API mode. Okay, this is running. I will quickly go to home folder and Gemini and open settings.json as well. So as you can see, the MCP server is configured here, and uh, here I have configured the path of the image gen MCP build index.js file, which we have to pass here to trigger the flow. And the output directory is generated folder at desktop. So if I come back again here and try again, let's see what will happen. It seems the image has generated now. It says I have already generated a cat image for you. Would you like me to generate a different one? No, so for now it's fine. If I it has not given any detail for what it has generated. We can see that this is the newly generated image. This is far better than the image that we generated in the previous video. So if we want to generate the image in the same directory in which we were working, like here, so we can configure that as well. Uh, I just have to reset the output directory, which is basically, oh sorry, desktop test my app, and then uh, maybe inside images. Just save the file and let's try running the Gemini again. Can you generate an image of dog? The image is generated, but it's not here. Let's see if it's generated into the generated again. Yep, it's again generated into the same folder. We have to actually restart our Gemini to reflect the changes. Let's try the same into the new tab. So finally, it has generated the image at the folder that we wanted. We can, yeah, it's we can open it in Finder. So this is the image generated. So this is how we can use MCP. And there are some other things like we can tag any file or folder that we want using at the rate, which we want to pass as reference. Like if I um, pass this logo as reference, what is this logo about? Oh, I've reached the quota limit for using all the requests for today. Uh, it's already 11:59 p.m. So let's try it again. I should have new quota available. If I retry this, what is this logo about? Okay, so I have got the same error. I believe they will reset the quota limit as per the US time zone, but you got the idea. So that's Gemini Code Assist in action for you. It provides free 1 million tokens, solid refactors, and local image generation and other things with the support of MCP. Cursor still has an edge today, but Gemini price tag is hard to beat. What do you think? Could this eventually replace Cursor or Copilot for your day-to-day work? Drop your take in the comments. Hit like if you learned something new and smash subscribe for more AI-powered dev tips. See you in the next coding classroom. Thank you.